Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying two essentials: that your Vivo Y21 is 5G capable and that your carrier has provisioned your SIM for 5G service. Once done, install any pending system and carrier updates because radio firmware often unlocks network bands. Make sure the battery is above 50% to avoid interruptions, and insert the active 5G SIM. Now open Settings and back up current network settings so you can revert if needed. This prevents lost APNs or custom configurations later. You now dive into configuration. Open mobile network settings and set network mode to 5G/4G/3G auto so the phone prioritizes 5G when available. Then edit APN entries. Input the exact values from your carrier, because incorrect APN prevents data on 5G. Save and select the new APN. Also review carrier band compatibility. If your Vivo lacks needed bands, 5G won't attach, so confirm band support or request carrier provisioning. Finally, toggle airplane mode off and on. You finish by rebooting the Vivo Y21 to ensure all radio stacks reload with new settings. Then run a speed test in a confirmed 5G area to verify connection and latency improvements. If 5G doesn't appear, swap the SIM into a different 5G device to isolate whether the SIM or phone is the issue. Contact your carrier to confirm provisioning. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up data. Quick troubleshooting tip: toggle network mode, reset the SIM, and retest immediately if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.